Good afternoon to one and all. I'm Dr. Sumitra, an associate professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And today's session we are going to discuss about the sequence prediction. The sequence prediction is a fundamental task in deep learning that involves predicting the next element in the sequence based on the previous element. This task has a wide range application in various domains such as natural language processing, time series analysis, speech recognition, genomics, and more. The deep learning models, particularly recurrent the natural networks and their variants, have been highly effective in tackling a sequence prediction task due to their ability to capture a temporal dependency and long range dependency in sequential data. When we have a recurrent natural neural network, the recurrent neural networks or the class of neural network specifically designed for a sequence prediction task, unlike the traditional feed-forward neural network. The RNN have a connection that forms a directed cycle, allowing them to process a sequence of arbitrary length. RNN maintains a hidden state that captures information about the previous element in a sequence, enabling them to make a prediction based on the context. When we have a long term memory network, which we call it as LSTM network, or the type of RNN that addresses the vanishing gradient problem, which can hinder the training of traditional RNN on a long sequence. The LSTM uses a gating mechanism to regulate a flow of information through the network, allowing them to learn a long range dependency more effectively. This LSTM have been widely used for a sequence of prediction tasks such as language modeling, speech recognition, and machine translation. The gated recurrent unit, which is GRU unit, or another variant of RNN that's simplifying the architecture compared to LSTM while achieving a similar performance. This GRU uses a fewer parameters and computational, making them more computationally efficient and faster to train. RUSU have been successfully applied to various sequence prediction tasks including a speech recognition, handwriting recognition, and video analysis. The sequence prediction applications were the natural language processing time series analysis. In natural language processing, the sequence prediction is used for tasks such as language modeling, text generation, machine translation, sentimental analysis, and this RNN and their variants are employed to model a sequential nature of text data and capture a sentimental relationship between the word and the phrase. The time series analysis, the sequence prediction, is used to forecast the features value based on the historical data. The RNN are well suited for modeling a temporal dependency in time series data and making an accurate prediction for various applications such as a financial forecasting, weather forecasting, and the stock market analysis. As a speech recognition, the sequence prediction plays a crucial part in speech recognition system where the goal is to subscribe a spoken language into a text. RNN are used to model a sequential nature of a speech signal and predict the sequence of phenomena or a word based on acoustic feature extracted from audio recording. And genome is all the sequence prediction is just used to analyze the DNA sequence and predictive various biological properties such as gene expression, protein structure, and genetical computation. This RNN are employed to model the sequential relationship between a nucleotide biases and infer a biological functions from genome data. The basic challenges in sequence prediction is all about a long-term dependency, capturing a long range of dependency in sequence can be challenges for the traditionally RNN, leading to a difficulties in modeling a context over a long distance. And data sparsity in where some applications such as natural language processing sequence may be spare or contain a rare event, making it challenging for a model to generally effective. Overfitting is where the sequence prediction model may suffer from overfitting, especially when trained on a small data sets or when the model capacity is too high relative to the amount of training data. And the future direction is all about that attention mechanism have merged as a powerful tool for a sequence prediction task, allowing the model to focus on having a basics of other thing. Hence, I can also conclude that a sequence prediction is a critical task in deep learning with applications in diverse domains such as natural language processing, time series analysis, speech recognition, and genome, and recurrent neural network and their variants. I hope you're clear with this. Thank you.